Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with CompareCards Review My Usage Experience. CompareCards Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to compare various credit cards based on your needs and financial situation. Its main purpose is to help consumers find the best credit card for them, simplifying the often overwhelming process of choosing from numerous options. Key features likely include filters for rewards, interest rates, annual fees, and credit score requirements. Their website provides details on their comprehensive database of credit cards and the comparison tools they offer. They position themselves as a time-saving resource, emphasizing ease of use and the elimination of the need to manually search through multiple bank websites. The website highlights the benefits of comparing across a wide range of issuers, ensuring consumers don't miss out on potentially better deals. Pricing transparency is a key selling point. The service itself is typically free to use. Availability is readily accessible via their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using CompareCards Review My Usage Experience. I wanted a new travel rewards card, and CompareCards was highly recommended. Getting started was a breeze. I simply input my desired criteria: high rewards points on travel, a low annual fee, and a reasonable credit limit. The interface was intuitive, allowing me to easily adjust my search parameters. The results were presented clearly, with key features highlighted for each card. I especially appreciated the ability to compare side by side, making it simple to weigh the pros and cons of different options. The speed was impressive, the results loaded quickly, and the whole process took only about 15 minutes. I was really impressed by how visually clear the comparison charts were. One minor drawback was the lack of detailed information on individual card supplementary benefits, requiring me to visit the individual bank websites for those. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with CompareCards. It saved me hours of research, and I found a card that perfectly aligns with my travel needs. I did have a quick question about a specific card feature, and their online help section answered it quickly and easily. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs. That's my overview of CompareCards Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.